Hi, you're with me again, Janine, and welcome to this tapping video. If you do like these videos, please do hit subscribe, but remember just to hit the notification bell as well. That'll just notify you when there's any new videos coming out, because I am posting these regularly. But today we're going to tap into feelings of inner peace and inner zen. There's so much going on at the moment, and a lot of us are struggling with kind of anxieties, uncertainties, which still continue. So the more we can create that inner peace, that inner calm, the more we'll feel just kind of clarity within ourselves, the more we'll be able to make decisions with ease. And tapping really helps us. What tapping does, it lowers cortisol, lowers the stress hormone. The science has found that out. So we're going to help you today. Just stay with me for the next 5 minutes or so and help you feel real inner peace. So notice how you feel right now. Do you feel any agitation at all? Do you feel tense? Where are you feeling that in your body? And maybe give that a number, 10 out of 10. So 10 out of 10, real tension, real agitation, real negativity, whatever's kind of going on. Maybe some stress, maybe an event's just happened, whatever it is, whatever's going on for you right now. Maybe give that a number on a scale of 0 to 10. Again, notice where you feel that in your body. And what we're going to do, we're really going to tap into feelings of inner peace, which is really where a lot of us want to get to, isn't it? Okay. So like usual, the rest of the videos, I want you just to start tapping with me on the side of your hand. Just kind of follow me along, just taking care of yourself as we look at this, and just focusing on where you feel now. Just give that a number, maybe close your eyes for a minute, just get into that feeling, and we're going to really tap into feelings of peace for you today. Okay. So even though I've been feeling all these feelings recently, I'm going to let them go today. Maybe feeling agitation, tension, maybe some stress that's going on. I want to let that all go. And instead, I choose to accept me now anyway. And maybe I'm feeling some tension or agitation, and I feel that somewhere in my body, and it might feel really familiar. What if I could just start to let some of that go? What if I could be open to letting some of that go? And instead, I choose to love and accept me now anyway. And maybe anyone else that might be involved. It's good to just kind of tap in on the points. All this agitation, all this tension, and I can feel it building up in my body. Maybe it feels really familiar. All this agitation, and it feels really strong. I want to be open to letting that go. I'm fed up of feeling out of control with all these feelings of overwhelm, tension, all these stresses, negative thought processes. What if I could let them all go? Just let them dissolve away. Because I'm here today because I want to feel some feelings of peace, some inner peace and calm. And that's what I want to feel. Letting any agitations and tensions, let them just start to melt away. Let any of those tensions or agitations, wherever I feel them in my body, are simply starting to dissolve. And I'm replacing those feelings with feelings of peace, with feelings of calm, with feelings of inner peace, feeling much more calm and relaxed. Just letting that tension float away. Wherever I feel that in my body, it might feel tight or tense. I don't want to hold on to that feeling anymore. I want to be open to letting it all go. Instead, I choose to feel more at peace, tapping into feelings of inner calm, inner peace, letting all those whirling thoughts slow right down, letting them all go. Letting go any external distractions as I tap into feelings of inner peace, inner calm, feelings of increased relaxation as all my muscles loosen letting go all that tension out of the body. It's safe to start to let go now. Feelings of peace and comfort. Tapping into feelings of inner calm. Feeling more and more relaxed. That tension's a thing of the past. Letting go all those old feelings. It feels really good to know that I can just let go. Throughout every single cell in my body, all the way back through my past. That's great. Take a nice deep breath. Breathe out. And again, I really want you to check in for me now. Maybe close your eyes for a minute. Maybe just check in whereabouts in your body you felt that tension, that agitation, and where that number's up to. Again, like all these tapping videos, I really want you to get into the habit of repeating these videos, repeating the tapping process for yourself. If you're unsure about anything, you can always get in touch. And as I say, do hit subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and please let me know how you get on. See you next time.